Hello and welcome to the lemon zucchini cake recipe. First up we have 2 cups of flour and then we have half a cup of sugar. The recipe says a full cup but I'm doing half. Then we have 1/4 cup of oil. Then after the oil we go and smash in 2 eggs. That was a fail. Then we place in 1/3 cup of milk. I use almond milk. Then I drop in some vanilla. Did I put vanilla in there? It looks like vanilla, wasn't it? Yeah. And then I put in some lemon zest, as much as you want. The more the better. And then I cut a lemon. I absolutely struggle to squeeze the juice out of it because I don't have a juicer. And then I tip that in. And then a cup of zucchini, 1.5 cups grated zucchini, just whatever you got. That was from the freezer, that's why it looks a little sloppy. And then you mix it around, chuck it in a loaf dish, plop 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 plop, there we go. And then after that you wham it in the oven for I don't know what amount of time, but until it does this on the knife, probably about 45 minutes to an hour, maybe on 180 as always. Now the icing, let the cake cool first, then start while your butter's melting, just cut your lemon, bring your half melted butter back out, and again just struggle as much as possible to squeeze that lemon juice in there. Cut out about 2 minutes worth of squeezing that lemon, didn't I? Just give up, don't worry, who needs lemon icing? There we go, chop 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 chop. Some icing sugar, undisclosed amount. You didn't come here for perfect amount of recipes from me, did we? Mix it in, and if it's the wrong consistency you add a little bit more icing sugar. If it's too hard, add a little bit more lemon juice, and then you just peel the paper off and then slop the icing on. I've got no time for no piping bag here. And then once you're done, you cut it. Watch me with this knife, not from that side though, that side's not pretty. Just spin it back around to the other side and then cut it. After you've cut it, you're going to realise that that looks really ugly, and that you cut it again, it still looks ugly. There was no saving it. She was delicious though, so just make this if you've got extra zucchini. It does taste good.